2, 1, 0, and liftoff of the...
Welcome to spacetravelwatchers.com. Today we want to talk about the slamming of a US spacecraft into a harmless asteroid few days ago on 26th September 2022 and its potential political and environmental risks to the rest of the world. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps with YouTube to spread the message. In November 2021, US space agency NASA launched a spacecraft on a mission to collide with an asteroid. The purpose of this mission, called DART, which stands for Double Asteroid Redirection Test, is to see if it is possible to divert a hurtling space rock from its natural track. NASA claims that its ultimate objective is to fulfill the need to build defense against possible destruction of our planet Earth from a harmful asteroid heading towards Earth. To achieve this objective, it has established a program called Planetary Defense Program with its own budget and personnel. Take a look at the NASA's explanation of this program.
NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART mission, launched November 24th Eastern Standard Time on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from California's Vandenberg Space Force Base. The mission will crash a spacecraft into an asteroid on purpose to see if it is a viable way to change the trajectory of an asteroid that might be on a collision course with Earth in the future. In fall 2022, the DART spacecraft will impact a small moonlit asteroid within the Didymos binary asteroid system. DART's target asteroid is not a threat to Earth.
NASA claims that its planetary defense program is to save the world from a threatening asteroid moving towards Earth, which could potentially wipe out the Earth. This is what its senior climate advisor had to say in media briefing on 22nd September 2022.
Climate advisor, I'm deeply invested in the future of planet Earth, and that includes planetary defense, which is how NASA works to ensure our planet is protected from potential asteroid and comet hazards. We're looking at asteroids to make sure that we don't find ourselves in their path. So DART represents an important progress in understanding how to avoid potential hazards in the future and how to protect our planet from potential impacts.
And after a long journey of about 10 months, on 26th September 2022, DART spaceship hit successfully the chosen harmless asteroid millions of miles away. This is the picture of NASA control room at the time of impact. NASA's test of slamming a harmless asteroid with its spacecraft to divert its natural path may be a small step in the US planetary defense program, but it presents giant issues for over 7 billion non-American people. Some of the issues related to US planetary defense program could be political and environmental. Some political issues for world are: would US defend only US or the rest of the world too and pay for it under their planetary defense program to save the world from a threatening asteroid? Another question is, Who decides about the risks of the unintended consequences, such as the threatening asteroid hitting other places after deviation of its path? Also, NASA has announced that, quote, no known asteroid poses a significant risk of impact with Earth over the next 100 years, unquote. If it is so, then one would wonder how it's going to gain from its investment and what it's going to do with its developed technology for planetary defense. Currently, along with US, other countries like Russia, Europe, Japan, China, and India are in the space race under their space program. When these countries will also start slamming their spacecrafts into asteroids, then there would be environmental issues. Numerous spacecrafts colliding into asteroids will potentially leave behind space junk polluting space. Also, it could be a possibility that the forced deviated trajectory of an orbiting asteroid by humans transforms a harmless asteroid into potentially a harmful one in known and unknown ways. We can see that there are possible political and environmental risks associated with US planetary defense program. Since a country's activity in space affects life of entire 8 billion people on Earth, we ask, shouldn't there be rules of engagement in space for all? What risks can you think of associated with space activities such as slamming a spacecraft into an asteroid? Please give your comments below. Space travel watchers are that part of humanity that aspires to protect space from exploitation for life on Earth for generations to come. Together it's possible. Join us now free at spacetravelwatchers.com and make massive impact for the benefit of young generations. Watch and like our videos, share our videos and articles, give comments and feedback on our videos and articles, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.